I was there to talk to them about digital transformation, and the guy who was the CTO actually had these on his desk, and clearly a desktop that took these. This was a few years ago, really, only a few years ago.
Hi Joe, how are you doing today?
Hi, nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure, yes. So we're on the second day of FinovateEurope 2019. Today I believe you were going to have a demo, so can you tell us, talk us through that?
Yeah, sure. Today we were showcasing our new demo, which this year is called Time Warp. For some reason I wanted to do a dance when they mentioned Time Warp. It's got to do with the Rocky Horror Show, which is all over London at the moment, right? They wouldn't let me. Shame.
Did they do a sing-along during your demo, like sing-along?
No, they wouldn't let me do that. Can you believe it? No, I have to behave. Yeah, so Time Warp is actually about simulating financial decisions. So what we showed was if you wanted to get a mortgage, which my colleague genuinely is looking to do at the moment, then the Time Warp app is a banking app that will let you simulate what that means. So it knows, for example, that you need to take into account life insurance costs, you need to take into account stamp duty, so all the things associated with the mortgage as well as the actual mortgage itself. And it allows you to jump forward in time and see what the impact would be on your finances based on your current income and expenses.
So is it like a tool? Who would use that? You would partner with banks to provide that feature to their customers, to help them decide when and how much to borrow.
Yeah, that's right. So the idea is that this is for the end user to be able to simulate financial situations and make decisions. But for the banks, there's a benefit in that they can make offers to their customers. So it's a way of presenting those offers in a very user-friendly and interesting way.
So, I mean, that's very exciting. So congratulations. And the demo went well in 7 minutes.
Oh yeah. We did 6 minutes, 40 seconds today.
You had time to spare, yeah, amazing.
I should have done the dance, right?
Exactly, you had plenty of time to be amazing on stage. But data is going to be important still to come up with the best, vision or forecast of the financial situation. So is it something you would use potentially with prospective customers but with limited data range, or to use for existing customers within online banking whereby the bank's got access to a lot of data?
Right, so that is, the second is the one that we're looking at, because with open banking, the banks now have access to data that resides in lots of different places. So it's pulling all of those APIs together and actually being able to make a full decision based on that.
And it's a new product, so do you already have like an established base of customers using it in the UK or abroad?
Right. Not this particular app, because it's a prototype, working prototype app, which is our approach at Finovate is always to be innovative, right? So we've been selling our solutions like the one we demoed last year to customers now. We have 560 banks working with us worldwide, so we're pretty big. 560 customers, but we're a very well-established financial service player, so we've been around for over 23 years now. Not me personally.
Just saying. We're at Finovate, like Europe 2019, so what made you invest time and money in the Finovate, platform, and why is it so helpful in 2019?
Yeah, we find it really interesting because we like to see what else is going on in the industry. We talk to our customers a lot, and we have an innovation lab that runs taking their ideas and our designers' ideas and our developers' ideas and bringing them all together. So we like to test that at this forum and also see what other people are doing. And it's very noticeable this year. There's a lot of siloed functionality. So, a lot of people doing a little bit of a solution. And we're very proud of the fact that we can deliver a full digital transformation for customers, so we can go a lot further.
So it's to compare yourself as well and find out what's going on in the market. A lot of people say that, even delegates, that this year seems very fragmented. I mean, the type of solutions you find here. Yes. 2019, so what are the key challenges to growth or opportunities for Crealogix?
For Crealogix?
Yeah. Not for your competitors, but if you want to talk about it, we can as well, yeah, Joe. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. It's for you, sorry, for your organization.
Yeah. No, we're not hitting any major challenges. I mean, we continue to be very successful year on year, which is fantastic. We're actually a public listed business in Switzerland. And in the UK here, we're a UK limited company. The challenge for me personally as Commercial Director in the UK is to broaden the extent of our solutions to new vertical areas, because we're very, very strong in wealth management in the UK and in Switzerland, but we have a whole plethora of different fantastic products that we can bring to a broader market, like, for example, the transactional banking environments.
It's not so much the sales force, your ability to sell, but it's the products, to make sure the products are well packaged and tailored for specific and other parts of financial services.
I think there are a lot of similarities between all financial service industry players, but it's really important that when we talk to a wealth manager, we're talking their language, and when we're talking to a private bank, we're talking their language, and when we're talking to one of the big high street banks, it's a very different language.
That's very, very smart to say. So thank you very much for your time. I'm really a bit disappointed we didn't get to see the Rocky Horror Picture Show on stage and the dance. Maybe you can do exactly. No, I'm hoping you'll get the best of show. So thank you very much for your time, Joe. It's a pleasure. Yeah. I do. Yeah, I've got 10 votes. So thank you.
Very nice.